In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate and explore your Microsoft Teams chat data on your computer. It's essential to understand the steps for accessing chat data, whether it's for routine checks or unexpected troubleshooting. We'll be navigating through some system files, so make sure you follow along carefully. First things first, you'll want to open File Explorer on your computer. This is typically represented by the icon that resembles a folder on your taskbar. It's your gateway into the inner workings of your Windows files, so double-click it to get started. Once you're in File Explorer, you'll need to navigate to a specific path on your computer. Head to the address bar at the top of the window and type the following location: cby/users/ followed by your user account name, then /api-data/roaming/Microsoft/Teams. It's important to be accurate here, as any deviation might lead you to a different folder. This pathway is where Microsoft Teams stores a lot of its data, including the records from your chats. Now that you've reached the Microsoft Teams folder, let's delve a little deeper. What you're looking for is either the indexed.db folder or the cache folder. These areas hold a treasure trove of chat data that's saved locally on your device. The files you find here, however, aren't necessarily easy to read or interpret directly. They are stored in a format that's meant for the system rather than for user-friendly browsing. Although you can access these files, viewing your chat history is more straightforward through Microsoft Teams or Outlook. These platforms are designed to present this information in a way that's readily accessible and easy to understand. While the local files might offer raw data, Teams and Outlook give you the full context and history of your chats in an organized manner. Therefore, once you've explored these folders, if you're looking to comprehensively review your chat history, it's best to utilize Teams or Outlook. To sum it up, accessing your chat data locally is a technical process, but crucial for specific needs. Remember, while it's possible to locate these files, interpreting them is a different challenge altogether due to their complex structure. Utilizing the Teams or Outlook interfaces will always provide the smoothest experience for accessing your full chat history. I hope this guide has been educational and empowers you to take control over the management of your team's data. Keep in mind, tinkering with system files can be a delicate task, so be cautious and double-check each step as you proceed. Thank you for following along, and happy navigating.